So y'all, this is Fali, and he's opening up his gift that his godmom got him for his birthday. He ready. Baby, he is ready. What is it? Give it to her. Give it to him, I'm about to say. It is Transformers.
Yep. That's Power Rangers.
Watch out, let me see.
It's just crazy.
You got 2 of them. You want to open it?
Like this. It's got tape on it. Polly, can I help you? Yeah. I can.
We got all these helping hands. Yeah, these on the play with this too.
You just gotta lift it up, Mom. What are you doing?
No.
The tape is off. I pushed it off.
Okay, since you peeled it off. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Let him open it.
Okay.
That's enough. I don't care if you destroy the box. Pull it open. Wait.
How do you open? I have to take this tape.
You see, you didn't care if he destroyed the box.
He did not care. Go ahead.
Well, Polly, I'm gonna have to kind of.
Give it to your brother, Sovereign. Stop. It's not yours.
Don't rip the
Oh!
I have to. Get
Oh,
away.
Folly. That one is nice.
That
Savi, give it to Folly.
one looks like Leo supposed to just control the whole.
Oh, you got 2. Can we see them?
Yeah. Aren't these supposed to come with swords?
They got swords.
Wait, move the sword.
You just had it in your hand.
Just
Here go one. Here go one. That's 1 sword.
so that other sword. No, let's see the box.
Okay, hey.
Oh yeah, you are.
Follow him. Do you like your toys?
Yeah.
Can we see them?
Yeah. Wait. Sword.
Ooh, those are nice.
That one.
You see?
I want to fight with it.
Oh, super detailed.
But
This one is super detailed as well. Which one you like the most? Or you like both of them?
I like that one.
You like that one the most?
I like that one.
Why not the
You gonna say thank you to your godmom?
Thank you, God.
Now, it was a letter in here. It said something. Let's see what it said. It says, enjoy your gift. Happy birthday, Folly.
Happy birthday, Polly.
You see? I'm gonna have to blur this out because it got her whole name in there. You see?
Yeah.
Y'all, he's into this gift. He do not care what this letter say.
I like it.
You like? I know you like it because you clearly not talking to us.
Oh, hang on. No, you're not taking me down. You're not taking me down. Oh, yeah.